Sustainable Ticho. Established in 1982, Ticho Industrial Company Limited has built up its corporate image of accuracy, rapidity, and technology by specializing in manufacturing and the research and development of innovative business principles. The company provides customers with high-quality designing and manufacturing of multi-performance collated screws and related production equipment in order to achieve the corporate philosophy of sustainable management. Win market opportunities to create a win-win situation. To research and develop advanced technology for the provision of high-performance, low-cost manufacturing process is the motto of R&D personnel of Ticho Industrial Company Limited. Based on the market trends, we have actively invested in the research and development of screw production equipment. The professional R&D personnel are specifically responsible for the research and development of product and related production technology and production equipment in order to reduce costs and meet the market demand. The company is focused on the cultivation and management of human resources and regularly hires professionals to do training. With the industry's most advanced production and testing equipment, vertical integration with about 100 sets of screw collator, odd sets of screw welding machine, and related production equipment, which are all developed and manufactured by ourselves. From the development, manufacturing, assembly, and shipping consistently to shorten development time to fully meet customer satisfaction. The company believes that good quality originates from good raw materials and so checks stringently from the feeding. It follows strict production and quality control processes to ensure that product delivery into the hands of customers is of high quality as required. Commitment to achieve quality requirements by customers and pursuit for excellence. With the accumulation of production experience and investment in new product development, Ticho Industrial Company Limited are absolutely advantageous and capable both in product design and development and production assembly. Our main supply can be divided into various collated screws, bimetal screws, special screws, screw heading machine, thread rolling machine, nail rolling machine, nail collator, and so on. Our main market is Europe, and other markets such as the USA, Canada, Japan, Australia are continuing to grow. We adhere to providing the fastest service and the best quality to our customers in order to meet their needs. Sustainable management of Ticho Industrial Company Limited. In the future, upholding the philosophy of sustainable management, the company will provide customers with the most reasonable price and good quality and best service attitude. We look forward to your long-term relationship, and we deeply believe that quality is manufactured. We will continuously improve our service quality, quickly and accurately respond to information customer feedback, and actively develop new products for sale worldwide for new performance heights.